Yeah, welcome everyone. Welcome. Look at this, everyone. Look at all this snow. On my way to Fresco. Walking in the snow. I don't know how many centimeters has fallen here in Brampton. It's the 10th of December 2025. My. And they are saying it's going to be snowing on and off today. So more will be coming down. So yeah, it does look pretty, but it's not pretty to walk in. So you gotta take your time if you're driving, if you're walking. All right, I'm gonna take this cart here. Or maybe, you know what, I'll go inside and get a cart. Hold on. But anyways, walking to Fresco. So stay safe, everyone. And I'll catch you in the next one. Later.